Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can find any targeted person email address. In this video I am going to use a email finding tools. So let's start the video. Before we start the video, I want to request you, if you don't yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Let's start. You see in this sheet you see have address, company name, company website, target person name, title, but not have the email address. So my target is find that targeted person, that managing director email address. This project is from German, so I'm going to find that German person email address and German person companies. So for find the email address, I'm going to use a tools named Mailmeteor.com. Mailmeteor.com is a email finding tools. From that tools you can use email checker, you can check their email lookup. It is a service they have. But right now I'm going to check, I'm going to find their email address. So what I have to do, I have to put here their full name and the company domain. So let's start. From here I'm taking the name, target person name, then I have to take that domain name. Okay, let's extend it. I'm going to take it that domain name. Okay, here I am putting here. Let's click the find email. Let's see what happened here. Is it work or is it not work? One thing, if you, oh my god, here you see I found their email address. This is look valid email address. So why you are not using these tools? If you want to use these tools, it's crazy and it's totally free. So I have to check that email address, it is valid or not. Let's go. I'm going to email check that email. I'm going to verify this email. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, you see this format is good, professional email, domain status valid, mailbox is valid. So if you use this email, no chance to bounce this email. So if you send any email for this person, this email going to this targeted person. So if you need any email list building work, if you need any email list like 1000 lead, 10,000 lead, 5,000 lead, you can contact with me. In this video description I shared my LinkedIn profile and my Facebook page. If you need anyone email list building work, so you can take support from me. Let's start. Next I'm going to check next person. I'm putting here their name and next their domain name. Okay, I'm going to find them. I'm a lead generation expert and I provide valid email list building work. So don't worry about work quality. Any targeted person, any location, I am able to find targeted person email address. Okay, let's see, this email address is unknown, so this is not good. Let's see another person. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, this person email is valid. Let's check the email validity. If I find valid email, that not means that this email is good, this email is delivered well. So after check email, we have to check the bounce rate and we have to check the delivery, because if this email not deliverable, so your email not goes to the targeted person. So this is very important. Yes, this email is also good, this email is usable, and if you send this target person with this email, and this person will receive your email. So I hope you learn a little thing how you can find email address from target person name and from domain name. So if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and if you like this video, please give a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video.